Hi guys, Niaje. Now I make custom rugs. On today's episode, you guys, we are making a custom Hello Kitty rug using a tufting gun all the way from scratch. Now guys, before we got here, I want you to know this is where we started. Now guys, if you're interested in making such wonderful, if not amazing rugs for yourself, your studio, your room, your bedroom, your living room, or your custom chilling space of yours, or even your business, I got you covered because I make custom rugs all the way from scratch using the help of a tufting gun, just as you can see here. So long as you provide your design and your size requirements, I got you covered. And also, if you're interested in making such wonderful, if not amazing rugs for yourself as a business side hustle, I also have tufting classes. Okay, yes. Now guys, this rug took me literally, can you guess this time? Well, this took 2 hours. Okay, yes, it took 2 hours. Well, because of its size, first of all, the detail. So usually the more the detail, the more time consuming a rug will be. And it's not that this one is detailed, it's just moderately detailed. Yes. Now please enjoy the rest of this video, and if you are interested in anything custom related, please feel free to ask me a question. Okay, enjoy the rest of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, like, tell a friend about my work, my rugs, and stay tuned, please.
Oh,